I've been MIA for a hot minute, and I can explain, but first, look at this view. We in New York. I'm like dying of sickness right now, but here's a quick update of what we've done in the past month that I haven't been putting in videos, or that I have.
Here's a quick update of what I've been doing in the past month.
Here's a quick update of what I've been doing in the past month. We started off October, going to Rolling Loud. Kids' first time in New York.
First time in NYC,
John's
baby.
first time in New York City. Just woken up for Rolling Loud, day one. What?
What is that? Oh, one pair?
Two pair?
Okay, two pair? Yo, I forgot to bring my pair.
Hey, girl, can't take it. Yeah, she take, never friend take it.
For 2 days in New York, which was absolutely insane. One of the most crazy experiences of my life.
She said what I like it. I don't know her whole name. I just met her one day and I gave her a nickname.
There was over 70,000 people there. All of my favorite hip hop and rap artists were there. We just saw the baby. It was insane. I feared for my life for a second. Went with 6 of my friends, and it was the best time ever.
Diamond dancing Michael Jackson, yeah. Come in with the red, she done like press, yeah. We can go all night on pills. Jump ballin', yeah, right out the gym. Oh.
We took Zach's door off the hinge. Unbelievable. Alright, John, you got that? Of course you do, you're a big lad.
Get it.
Oh, this is sick. This is so funny. What's up?
Why? What?
What's up?
What?
What's up?
I'm coming home. I just want my peace.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
And you left my door open too?
What happened to your door?
What the f?
She got pretty mad about that, though, because we put it on his balcony, and he,
Wait, that's not. Wait, that's my door.
Is it? Was not a fan. The boys of 32 played a lot of Snappa. Snappa is basically the winter solution for not being able to go outside and play die, so you play inside on a slightly smaller table, and you just use the roof as your guide.
I'm ready to play! I'm ready to roll! Let's go!
Madie and I celebrated 2 years of dating, which is why we're in New York right now. So we woke up at 8 a.m., came over to New York for 1 day, and we leave at 8 p.m. tonight.
Oh shit, you live in the canyon, how big is your mansion? Yeah. Fresh out of school, now you working and focus on fashion. Pretty girl and you let go. Got time but you got goals. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California.
Just say like,
Oh, that's why we're in New York right now.
I'm so in love with her. She's like the most amazing girl in the entire world.
I also ramped up how many videos I was making for other companies, so I got a little bit burnt out, and the first thing to drop out of my life was making these videos. Well, tonight is Halloween night. Obviously, we're going out. And I don't know how I scored this, but I got a pretty good relationship going with the manager of a bar that's very close to campus, and I make social media videos for them. So I get to skip the line, get free drinks, and get paid just to bring my camera. So yeah, it's been a busy month. I'm gonna try to keep these as consistent as possible. We'll see how that works out. Stay trappin', B.